Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP, and I'm here today with Sarah Broux. Sarah, introduce yourself and tell the people who you are and what you do.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah Broux. I'm the managing director of DrinkIT by NORRIQ. We are a Microsoft partner since many years. And myself, I've been working in the context of Dynamics since 20 years already. I'm based in Belgium, a mom of two sons, and I'm happy to be here today with all of you. Happy to be on the show, Rick.
Okay, thank you. So when I heard about DrinkIT, I said, this is the kind of ISV I want to talk to, right? Because you're in a very specific vertical space and probably a business that's a lot of fun. So, tell us a little bit about some of the history of NORRIQ and tell us how DrinkIT came into being.
Mm-hmm. A lot of fun indeed, Rick. Yes. Indeed. So we serve the beverage industry, and DrinkIT is an app-based solution for beverage. Our key focus is on breweries, distilleries, soft drinks producers in general, and beverage distributors. And on the NORRIQ side, we have offices in 6 countries. And our go-to-market is really hybrid, through partners as well as direct. Direct mainly then for our key home markets, Germany, Denmark, Belgium, our key accounts as well. And also, well, hybrid, because on one hand, of course, we want to scale by delivery through partners, but on the other hand, really being close to our customers is also very important. Being an ISV, we really need to join in taking the customer through the digital transition that they are going through. So you need to be close as well. So definitely a mix of both. And we go back since 2002. So 20 years already. Solution is sold globally and currently in about 45 countries, running at different customers.
Okay, so when we talked earlier, the product started within the vision, and now it's moving to Business Central.
Indeed. We fully align here to Microsoft's strategy also. We want to be the #1 solution in beverage, solution of choice, but really by embracing the full potential of the Dynamics platform, the Power Platform, and providing it as a SaaS solution, scaling from small companies to the bigger market-leading companies. And I really believe that the real opportunity lies in building solutions that fulfill very specific needs, taking a particular industry to the last mile, really in a standard way. And so for beverage, this is about taxes, sales and purchase conditions, quality management, contracts, alcohol balance for the distilleries as well. We build on industry best practice and take those challenges, and can be production, order to cash, purchasing, logistics, really making it standard processes end to end, and moving away from ERP thinking into platform thinking. Also, when there is a business requirement to solve, don't go immediately to Business Central and that context.
Sarah, that's really key thinking, because I think that's how customers think now, and I think that's how Microsoft wants us to be as partners. Like, we're Microsoft partners, we sell the platform. What do you need?
Yeah, indeed. So consuming the technology options and making it fit our purpose, which is in our case our niche market. Yeah, indeed.
So how long have you been building the DrinkIT product?
So in a way, since 2002, we have gone through a number of transitions, and also back in the days, the role-tailored client, 2009, and we've really consistently, and I think consistency is really important in doing this. We've really gone through those different technology shifts, and of course, this one was a very big one that we went through. Being on app stores now, and of course, a big investment to get up to that point again. But we've bundled the apps as one vertical solution. And indeed making it available that way globally. Yeah.
So your customers, let's talk a little bit about the use cases, because we talked about the mobility platform, and you could have remote salespeople or merchandisers going out to stores. Kind of talk about the different use cases that you cover for a beverage company.
Mm-hmm. So the biggest opportunity really lies in, depending on the market, really lies in of course, the local privately owned breweries, distilleries. Those are really specifically fitting our solution very well. But the use cases go a lot wider. If you look at supermarkets nowadays, they often have their own brands, which are often locally produced in a private label context, contract brewing, also the same for soft drinks, for example, which is a perfect fit for Business Central and DrinkIT. But also every market has its local Coca-Cola, Pepsi bottlers, which is also something that could fit very well. And of course, distributors, you find them everywhere. Everyone is drinking anywhere on the planet. So the opportunity is definitely there. Well, almost everywhere, I would say. Yeah.
So, when we talked earlier, we were talking about your product being flexible, right? Because different jurisdictions have different laws, different rules, and different ways of distributing both sort of alcohol and beverages.
Indeed, yeah, and of course there are some specifics in different countries, but by having the possibility of onboarding a customer with a specific configuration for a country, you can actually make that a repeatable thing, and that's also the added value of the partner in making the project more predictable and making it more repeatable. So that's definitely where we make the difference. Yeah.
Okay, so if I'm a Microsoft partner and I have a beverage company that I'm talking to, how would I work with DrinkIT?
Call us.
Okay.
Well, we have partners in countries like the US, Australia, UK, Norway, Vietnam, and Asia, for example. But there's definitely still room for additional partners in these markets, but also in other markets. The thing is, we make the software available based on the industry knowledge, but the business generated by the partner at the customer is a lot. Yeah, it's even more significant. There's a real business opportunity for the partner to take it further. I think it's fair to say that ERP can be complex. Many companies have gone through painful projects in the past, and to make something complex simple, you need to understand it very well. And that's what we try to do. We've brought these very specific processes together and translated them into an app there.
Your expertise in this area of IP is really important, because if a partner went into a soft drink distributor, it would be months just learning their business, and then months architecting a solution, and then months to build that solution. So you're shrinking that down into weeks instead of months.
Yeah, indeed. And making it a bit more predictable also, and clearer to the customer on what to expect and how to go about. That's basically also important. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Well, Sarah, thanks for your time today. I really appreciate it. And we'll be back around to talk to you at some point to find out what's new at DrinkIT. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Vic. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.